Hello everyone, recipe of Bajra Methi Muthiya. Bajra Methi Muthiya is a traditional Gujarati dish made with pearl millet flour, that is bajra, fenugreek leaves, that is methi, and other spices. Muthiya is a popular snack or side dish that is steamed and then tempered. Here's a simple recipe for making Bajra Methi Muthiya. Ingredients for the muthiya: 1 cup bajra, that is pearl millet flour, 1 cup fresh fenugreek leaves, that is methi, finely chopped, 1/4 cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoons besan, that is gram flour, 1 tablespoon semolina, that is suji, 1 tablespoon ginger green chili paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 tablespoon oil, salt to taste, water as needed. For tempering, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, that is til, 2 tablespoons freshly chopped coriander leaves, juice of 1 lemon. Instructions. Number 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the bajra flour, wheat flour, besan, semolina, ginger green chili paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander cumin powder, oil and salt. Number 2. Add the finely chopped fenugreek leaves to the mixture. Number 3. Gradually add water and knead the mixture to form a smooth and firm dough. Number 4. Divide the dough into small portions and shape them into cylindrical or oval-shaped muthiyas. Number 5. Steam the muthiyas in a steamer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are cooked through. Number 6. Once cooked, allow the muthiyas to cool for a few minutes. Number 7. In a separate pan, heat oil for tempering. Add mustard seeds, sesame seeds, asafoetida and curry leaves. Allow them to splutter. Number 8. Add sesame seeds, that is til, and saute until they turn golden brown. Number 9. Add the muthiyas to the tempering and stir gently to coat them with the tempering. Number 10. Cook for a few more minutes until the muthiyas get a light golden color. Number 11. Finally, add freshly chopped coriander leaves and lemon juice. Mix well. Number 12. Serve hot Bajra Methi Muthiya with chutney or sauce of your choice. Enjoy your healthy and delicious Bajra Methi Muthiya. Thank you.